It's extremely important to me that we look to the future, tastefully imagining generations to come having the ability to choose to have a hunting lifestyle for themselves.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Hunting is what fuels us, it is what grounds us, and it is what connects us. Hunting is where we come from, and hunting is where we will continue to go.
I've been waiting for this one for a long time. If I haven't said it enough times yet, I'm saying it now. I'm excited. I can't wait to get in the hills.
To come here and hunt a free-range stag of this caliber, dude, it's unbelievable.
You absolutely never know what you're going to get up here.